Sleep deprivation, the hidden epidemic, affecting your health and performance. Sleep is an essential component of human health, yet it's often overlooked or undervalued. While most people understand the importance of sleep, many still struggle with getting enough of it. In fact, sleep deprivation is more common than we think and can lead to a wide array of physical, emotional, and cognitive issues. In this article, we'll explore the science behind sleep deprivation, its effects on pain sensitivity, emotional empathy, academic performance, and even safety, as well as practical solutions to combat its impact. The science of sleep deprivation. Sleep is not just a time for our bodies to rest, but it is also when critical repair and cognitive processes occur. Several studies have explored how inadequate sleep affects different aspects of our health. One such study, published in 2010, looked at how sleep deprivation can increase pain sensitivity. Participants were given either codeine or a placebo, and their sleep quality was measured. The results were striking. Those who were sleep-deprived were more sensitive to pain and found that codeine worked less effectively. This suggests that poor sleep could make individuals more vulnerable to discomfort and reduce the effectiveness of pain medication. A 2012 study confirmed these findings, showing that people who had more sleep experienced less pain sensitivity. So, it turns out, sleeping away your pain might not be a myth after all. Emotional empathy and sleep deprivation. Sleep deprivation doesn't just affect the body, it also impacts the mind. A study conducted in 2022 tested how lack of sleep affected emotional empathy. Participants were randomly assigned to sleep-deprived, normal sleep, and control groups. They were tested on both direct empathy, how they feel about another person's emotions, and indirect empathy, how their bodies physically react to another's emotions. The results were clear. Those who were sleep-deprived showed significantly less emotional empathy, both directly and indirectly. This suggests that sleep is not only crucial for physical health, but also for maintaining our emotional connections with others. The long-term effects of sleep deprivation. While short-term sleep deprivation can be damaging, the long-term effects are even more alarming. Studies have linked chronic sleep deprivation to various serious health conditions such as diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular disease. Although these studies show an association, causality is still being debated. For example, sleep deprivation has been linked to impaired glucose metabolism, which can increase the risk of developing diabetes. Additionally, sleep deprivation in children has been shown to have detrimental effects on both academic performance and mental health. A study conducted in Korea in 2022 found that adolescents who were sleep-deprived performed significantly worse academically compared to their well-rested peers. This is not an isolated case. Similar findings have been documented in middle school, high school, and college students. Sleep-deprived students often have difficulty concentrating and are more likely to experience mental health issues such as depression. Sleep and academic performance, a vicious cycle. Sleep deprivation can set off a vicious cycle, especially among adolescents. Many teenagers need around 9 to 10 hours of sleep each night, but their academic schedules often make this difficult to achieve. The American Academy of Pediatrics has advocated for later school start times, as early school hours contribute to chronic sleep deprivation in teenagers. A study conducted by the University of Minnesota found that when school started later in the morning, more students were able to get the recommended amount of sleep, leading to improved academic and athletic performance. However, the societal pressures to wake up early and the early school start times remain a significant obstacle. The impact of sleep deprivation on safety. Another crucial aspect of sleep deprivation is its impact on safety. When people don't get enough sleep, their risk of accidents increases dramatically. According to the American Academy of Sleep Medicine, More than 880,000 people fall asleep at the wheel each day in the United States alone. Sleep-related accidents contribute to over 250,000 motor vehicle accidents each year, with 20% of those resulting in serious injuries. Sleep deprivation has also been shown to affect professionals in high-stakes jobs. For instance, astronauts, airline pilots, and even physicians working long hours are more prone to making errors due to sleep deprivation, which could lead to catastrophic outcomes. Practical solutions to combat sleep deprivation. Given the serious consequences of sleep deprivation, it's crucial to take steps to improve sleep habits. Here are some strategies to help. 1. Create a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock and improve sleep quality. 2. Optimize your sleep environment. Make your bedroom a sanctuary for sleep. This means minimizing light, noise, and distractions, and ensuring that your bed is comfortable. 3. Limit screen time. Before bed, exposure to blue light from screens can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Try to avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bed. 4. Prioritize sleep hygiene. Engage in relaxing activities like reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath before bed to signal your body that it's time to wind down. 5. Advocate for change. On a societal level, advocating for later school start times and workplace policies that allow for better sleep can make a significant difference in public health. Conclusion: sleep deprivation is a pressing issue with widespread effects on our health, emotions, academic performance, and safety. From increased pain sensitivity to impaired empathy and decreased cognitive function, the consequences of insufficient sleep are clear. By taking steps to prioritize sleep and advocating for societal changes, we can begin to mitigate these effects and improve our overall well-being. The science is clear. Sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity. It's time we give sleep the attention it deserves to live healthier, more productive lives.